Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Beetle service light. This simple procedure can save you a trip to the mechanic and is something you can easily do at home. We will cover the exact steps to turn off that pesky service reminder, ensuring your dashboard is clear. It typically takes less than 1 minute to complete once you know the process. To begin, make sure your Volkswagen Beetle's ignition is in the on position, but the engine is not running. This is a crucial first step for the reset process. Next, find the trip odometer reset button on your instrument cluster. It's usually a small button or a stalk that you can press. Having the ignition on allows the system to register your input. Now, press and hold the trip odometer reset button. While keeping it pressed, turn your ignition key to the off position and then immediately back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Continue to hold the button for about 10 seconds. You might see the service light begin to flash or change its display during this time, indicating the reset is in progress. After holding the button for about 10 seconds and observing the light flash, you can release the trip odometer reset button. Then, turn your ignition completely off. Wait a moment, and then restart your engine as you normally would. The service reminder light on your dashboard should now be completely extinguished. If it's still on, simply repeat the entire process one more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.